Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSE Guide. Today I will tell you about types of scholarship under CSE. Means CSE have different kinds of scholarship. First you listen that Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university program, which you are normally apply for CSE scholarship, and another was that road and belt scholarship like that. Or Silk Road scholarship or bilateral program, and these I will tell you about this type of scholarship. So first I select right here one university. I am not telling about this university because you are thinking that these universities have the deadline of this university has been over. So I am not telling about this university. I am telling the types of scholarship. So if you are still confused that we are confused that I don't know about that those scholarships right like road belt and etc. So stay with me and I will tell you about these very careful. So right here one university and click on scholarship option. So don't think again. I say that about this that the deadline of one university has been over. So I will giving you information about that. So Silk and Road have own seats, and another Chinese graduate program or Silk Road Chinese university program have own seat. So if in the university in which Silk Road program has offered, so these have there have much chances in that university to get a scholarship. So after clicking on that, click on Chinese government scholarship or scholarships, then you will find that this Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university program of one university. As like these universities who are giving which is giving scholarship. Another one is that Silk and Road scholarship. Chinese university programs, one university have just online apply. You think that you are thinking that online apply, so apply as soon as possible. People are applying on one university without seeing his major. Even one university offers this major in which you are applying for CSE scholarship. So but that's not possible. That every programs in the university or every major in the university offering CSE scholarship. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't depend. So first, if in which university you want to apply, first check that either this university gives scholarship to this major. So now you are watching that this one university giving these major scholarship gives the scholarship to these majors in master and bachelor etc. So if your major is not included in graduate program in which you are applying, then you don't apply in this. Your application will be application will not be counted. So graduate program and Silk Road program has different major. Means in graduate programs the one university offering or other universities offering scholarship for these major, and these major cannot be included in Silk Road. Silk Road had different majors. So you see that these majors which are offering one university scholarship. Now we check that the Silk Road scholarship, Silk Road program. If your major is not in the graduate program, which is then you find your major in Silk Road. If your major in Silk Road program, then you will also apply on B category. But you must focus on that, and you must clear that both of these two scholarship on included in B category, not on A category. So okay. Now we will check that what type of major they give scholarship to this. Okay, you are seeing that only 4 to 5 majors which are giving this Silk Road program to these scholarship. Means if you are applying in these scholarships, your chances of getting scholarship is much higher, because these universities have these programs, these majors have much more than seats than other scholarships. So where the main how you feel, how you think that, how you recognize that either this is Silk Road and graduate program is B category, is on B category. So where the university code are written, university code, Gohan University, etc., Hust University, and like this, all these university, even where agency number is given, means you think that you think that this is B category. So okay, you don't hesitate that it's A category and B category. And now I will tell you about the bilateral program. I already make a video. If you don't understand, then make my previous video, one of my previous video, in which I will detail the process has been discussed. So click on that option. In bilateral program, there is no limit. No limit means no selected major included. All these majors they give scholarship to all these majors. So if you are applying to this, you will apply. So I will basically by means tell you that some people and some boys don't know that what is Silk Road program and what is Chinese graduate program. Chinese graduate program and Silk Road program both are same, but the major they giving CSE scholarship offering to these major is different. If your major is not in graduate program, you don't think that I am lost and I apply on the university, but my major is not in graduate. So check your major in Silk Road program, and apply for those two scholarship is same, totally same, but the main purpose is that they are offering separately scholarship. Separately means they have separate major, so they are selected major but scholarship is same. I hope so you are understand, and see you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz.